I don't vape. Fucking lied to me. Fucking lied to me. Ignore that. Baby, it'll be fun. Excuse me. ASMR karaoke. I don't know what song to do next. I'm looking. It's like one of the older ones from like 6 fucking Boombaya. I know Boombaya. Does that make sense? What if I did another L on my fan song? Oh. Maybe I like Casanova. Check 1, 2. See, that's what happens when I try to cover it. It doesn't even fucking work.